Hey guys, thanks for tuning in. Let me start off by saying that we are all winners, and we are not about to wing it. We are about to start planning ahead because a plan is a roadmap to guide you to wherever it is you want to go and to keep you focused on the things that matter and less time on distractions and more time on essentials. Always remember, the man with the plan wins in the end. So in this video, I'm going to show you how I made these content planners in Canva. So now we're over here in Canva. Canva is a free to use online graphic design tool. You can use it to create social media posts, presentations, posters, videos, logos, and more. Or you can sign up for the pro version. So now I'm just going to search content planner. And it pulled up 319 templates. So now I'm just going to scroll until I find one that I like. And then click on it. But here I found another one that I like, so I just clicked on it. But now you're going to see me change the colors and the text. So enough of me talking. I'm just going to let you watch. I added another page because I wanted to make goals for my website because I constantly update it or doing something to it. And since it's October, I did want to add a little spice to it. So I'm searching pumpkins, and I'm just gonna put a pumpkin on the actual planner and like make it transparent. Here I'm just proofreading and making sure everything is spelled right and in the right position. So now I'm just going to download it so I can go ahead and print them out. So now I'm just going to go ahead and start the printing process. And y'all, I must say, they came out so pretty. If you like this video and want to see my channel grow, make sure you click the video on the screen. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye.